What's going on? It is Friday, everybody, and that means it is Free Bitcoin Friday. So I'm going to be giving back my referrals some more Bitcoin, just like I do every week. Sorry for no videos this week. I've been extra tired, still getting over this pneumonia and strep stuff. But we are back. We're back. We're better. Antibiotics are taken, and right now Bitcoin's down, so it's kind of a good time to buy. It's down over the last few hours quite a hefty amount. So hopefully we'll see a rebound and see it come back up to about 8,700, and then that'll be a nice little profit there if you buy now and it rebounds. Let's go to our overlays, see where we're at. Right now we are way under. Well, we're under resistance. I mean, it's going to keep falling for a little bit, but that doesn't mean it couldn't come back. It couldn't come back. Yeah, here we are. We're at about 288,000 satoshis. Still working on our reward points. We're about 88,000. My internet keeps dropping, so I keep missing clicks, which is an issue that I'm gonna have to call my ISP about and see what they can do to fix that, because it's costing me money every time my stuff doesn't click. But today we're not about clicking. Today we're about our referrals. I can only give out about 900, and it's all going to go to this guy. But that's what I'm going to be giving out. So we'll send out 500 just so I have a little bit extra next week to give away. Make sure I'm giving you guys some every week for clicking. Thank you for whoever this is. I appreciate it, and I'll keep on sending you some free stuff, because you're clicking the button, and that's great. So there you go. 500 will be deducted. And it was shared. Let's refresh the page, see if it'll update. Yep, there you go. He got it all. Recent 500. He got all of it. So there you go, my man. Thank you for clicking the button, and stick around and we'll be doing more. As well as today. Today is my giveaway selection day for my 250 subscriber goal. That video will be coming out in a few hours, and I'm going to pick up a couple boxes of $50, so hopefully we can find some goodies, and we'll go from there. So thank you guys for hanging out. If you aren't subscribed, click that subscribe button, notification bell, the gist. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.